Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to give you a quick teardown of the Artcoustic PA-1800 professional power amp. This is a Danish-made power amplifier made for their own branded Artcoustic speakers, which have the proprietary frame on the wall type of appearance. You can have the grills match to your art and deco and have them printed out and set on your speakers. And this is the power amplifier that is usually used to run the large speakers with the bass large subwoofer drivers built in. It's a 3-channel power amplifier. As you can see, separate sensitive inputs for all 3 channels. You've got 2 channels which are run at 400 watts at 8 ohms, and 1 channel that is run at 600 watts into 8 ohms. So this is quite a beast of an amplifier. It weighs about 17 kilograms. It's about 2 rack mounts high. It does come with additional plinths on the side that you can use to rack mount the amplifier itself. You've got the proprietary branding over there with the main power switch and some ventilation bits at the bottom. That's the top of the unit itself, and I'm going to give you a quick look at the inside. But firstly, just the rear of the unit. You've got 2 fans at the back of the unit that can be run either in home mode, where it's a silent fan, or in professional series mode, where the fan is on permanently. It is voltage switchable. You've got balanced inputs and outputs and unbalanced inputs. You've got the fan switches and grounding. As you can see, the 3 channels are marked separately. The inputs are above there. They don't line up exactly, but that's not a problem. It's marked pretty well. And I'll give you a quick look at what the inside of the amplifier looks like. Taking out the 1 screw at the top, few screws at the front and the back, and on the side you should be able to take this top panel off, which is made of what seems to be about 1.5 millimeter steel, quite a heavy piece. And as you can see inside, that is a massive toroidal power supply, which is what adds to the weight of the unit itself. There you go, the 3 outputs at the back and the PCB board at the bottom with the various capacitors. And I'll stay silent for now so you can just have a quick look at what the components are inside, with the large heat sinks on either side of the unit. And it looks like that particular part is actually burnt out on the side. So the layout is what you'd expect as in most power amplifiers, but I can't seem to find any other type of power amplifier that has a similar sort of array or design to Artcoustic, which makes it a fairly unique design and product from this well-known Danish and high-ranked Danish supplier. So thanks for watching.